Hello, I'm Jaakko Normio, a software engineer here at MagiCAD. Today I will show you how to use MagiCAD Cloud Selection tool for APC Vent. APC Vent is one of Sweden's leading companies in energy-efficient ventilation systems. The main challenge for APC Vent was how to add roof cowl combination products with multiple airflows, to design software and to make sure they function in calculations. Developing MagiCAD Cloud Selection tools is one of our core services for MEP manufacturers. With digital tools such as this, the manufacturers can consult designers in product selection. The designers can be confident that the product of their choice will function in the project. MagiCAD Cloud Selection tools take presenting product offering to the next level. Let's start clicking the Insert Roof Cowl button from the MagiCAD Connect tab. First, we need to choose the type of product. For example, do we want only an exhaust air or outdoor air product, or a combination of those? Second, we need to input the wanted airflow. For this demo, let's say 1500 liters per second. Finally, we can filter down the search result even more by defining some additional criteria. But this is not mandatory. When you are happy with the inputs, click the search button. The selection tool shows us the options that are the smallest sizes that can handle the airflow with the satisfactory pressure drop levels. If there are other sizes available, you can see those by clicking Show All Suitable Sizes button. Here you can also see the critical information regarding each product, such as the description, selected airflow, pressure drop and sound power level. The pressure drop and sound power level are calculated in the given airflow. To choose the product, click the Select button. On the results page, we can still see the critical information alongside other data as well. For example, we have a diagram and octave band for each air side. We can also choose an optional roof duct accessory with other additional accessories. So let's do that next. Click the Add Roof Duct button to open a dialog to see available roof ducts for our selected roof cowl. You can change the roof duct's settings before choosing it by clicking the Select button. Next, we can insert the roof cowl with the optional roof duct to the MagiCAD by clicking the Insert to MagiCAD button. Finally, in the opening dialog, we need to do the final configuration that MagiCAD needs. You may choose your code for the product or use auto-generated one by leaving the field empty. MagiCAD requires the initial installation height, but you can change that later in the MagiCAD. Exhaust system and supply system are auto-populated from the MagiCAD project. If you have multiple systems defined in the project, you may change the system here now. When you are happy with these, click Insert. Choose the insert location, define the rotation, and there you go. You have now successfully added an APC Vent's roof cowl into your MagiCAD project. Thank you for watching this demo. Please visit our website magicad.com for more information.